Beef trade with Mexico has been a top issue in the international markets over the last few months. We'll have an update on our beef trade with Mexico in this week's Market Watch.
Market Watch, brought to you by Fort Dodge Animal Health.
Joining us now is Phil Tseng, President and CEO of the U.S. Meat Export Federation. Thanks for coming today, Phil.
It's great to be here.
You bet. You know, towards the end of last year, we seemed to hit a bit of a speed bump in terms of trade with Mexico. Can you tell us a little bit about that issue?
Well, we've had problems with Mexico all through the years as far as exports. It's our #1 export market. The Mexicans are very concerned about the velocity of the trade that we're shooting down into Mexico. So what happens, they have a NOM 30, which is a law as far as it regulates their imports. And this administration, the current administration of Calderon, has really started working much more aggressively at enforcing those laws and enforcing these regulations. And so there's been some dislocations, and that was evidenced again at the end of last year.
So do you think we're through that period, or
Well,
what's your sense?
I think we're through that period, but I don't expect, and I think we all anticipate, there'll be further problems in dealing with Mexico. They're always looking at ways to impede the flow of our product. They've had anti-dumping duties against us. There's been a lot of problems in the past. So this is something we're having to be very vigilant about as we deal with Mexico.
Well, as you look long term and think about the importance of beef exports, particularly our trading partners to the north and south, what are your longer term projections about Mexico?
Well, Mexico is a very positive market for it. It's our #1 market today for beef. It's our #1 market actually even for pork. But the key thing about Mexico is the future. It's a very young population. We see a lot of growth in Mexico, and it's going to be one of our locomotives of growth for this industry this year and in the years to come.
Phil, it's great to see you.
My pleasure.
Thanks for stopping by. To learn more about trade issues and the U.S. Meat Export Federation, visit cattlemantocattleman.org.